Hook, somebody is reading your prompts right now. Not maybe, not probably, right now. Every time you paste a document into ChatGPT, every time you ask Claude something personal, every time you use any cloud AI tool, that data goes somewhere. It gets stored, it gets used, and you agreed to that in a terms of service you never read. Here's the thing though, you've been told that's just the price of powerful AI, that if you want something actually good, you have to give up your privacy, that local AI is slow, limited, basically useless. That's completely wrong, and I'm going to prove it to you today. By the end of this video, you're going to have a setup that runs world-class AI models on your own machine, keeps every single prompt totally private, and lets you access it from anywhere in the world. Your phone, a coffee shop, another country, doesn't matter. Let's get into it. Introduction. Hey, welcome to Nuvox AI. If you're new here, we cover practical AI stuff. Not hype, not theory, just things you can actually use. Today is a big one. This is the complete guide to running your own private local AI from anywhere. We're talking setup, tools, real use cases, and an honest comparison to ChatGPT, so you know exactly what you're getting. This is going to be a longer video because there's a lot to cover, and I want to actually be useful to you, not just scratch the surface. So bookmark this, grab a coffee, and let's do this properly. The privacy problem with cloud AI, most people ignore. Okay, so let's start with the actual problem, because I think most people kind of know this is happening but haven't really sat with how serious it is. When you use ChatGPT, your conversations are stored by OpenAI. They use that data to train future models. Their privacy policy literally says that. Same with most other